Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my refrigerator. It's been long overdue. Let's just say that it's been long overdue. So firstly, I'm starting by emptying everything in the refrigerator. I did it section. I did it one side first. I took out everything shelf by shelf, and it's a good chance to see what we have, what needs to throw away, what has expired. You know, sometimes we tend to forget about those dates, expired stuff, and some things get lost in the back at times. So yeah. Next, I'm removing all the shelves and the drawers so I can clean them thoroughly. I'm just wiping down the surface with a mixture of water and vinegar. It's natural and really cuts through grimes. Sometimes we tend to forget the tricky corners that sealed, and you know, some of the crumbs like to hide there. So now that everything is clean on this side, the door, the seals on the door, I sometimes forget about it, so I remembered it this time, and just going through here and cleaning it, that little rubbery thing that folds there, and just making sure that that is clean, because dust tend to hide in between there from time to time. I was going to trim this piece of plastic that was on the refrigerator here, and I decided, you know what, let's just take this thing off and done. You know, just rip it off. Like, why leave it there? You know, yeah, I know it's to keep the refrigerator from being marked up and stuff, or scratches, but yeah, I think it's time to go. It's been there a while, so I removed it. And then I just continued cleaning down the balance of the refrigerator. Then I got the shelving and they all cleaned up. Yeah. Now onto the freezer part. I did the same thing. I emptied everything on that side and took out all the shelvings, wiped it down with a mixture of water and vinegar, and washed all the shelves. And then I just put them back, throw away what wasn't good anymore from the freezer, what I didn't want, and I just repacked the freezer. It's only now that I'm doing this voiceover, I am seeing a pack of pasta in the freezer. And no, it's not normally in the freezer, it's just how I was unpacking the other side and putting some stuff in the freezer. So no, pasta is not normally in my freezer. Okay.